Got most of the painless harness in now. Mainly just have the ignition switch. Just got the lights wired up. Waiting on my new wiper motor setup from Detroit Speed. Thanks Corona, everything's on back order. Have a new switch panel. Gonna have it down here underneath the column. I still gotta pull the pad back out and put the vents in. Gotta put these vents in as well still. Put this one up here. Holly dash, ready to try that out. Still have to run the wires for the painless up to the headlights, which I'm going to these now. Have to wire in my trinary switch and finish plumbing. Pressure mounted up. Got a new starter relay wire, and that's just the 12-volt source. It'll go back to the bus bar back here. Just the ducting and vents. At this side all buttoned up finally. Had to have a friend come over to help me get the blower assembly up under the dash. But yeah, just coming along.